Hi, I'm Isaac Laronge with Skyline Services. I'm the CEO and I run all the day-to-day operations. We're located in Madison, Wisconsin. We do commercial and residential cleaning services throughout the greater Madison area. What keeps me up at night is the concern that we're always delivering quality services for our customers. And as a company grows, it gets more and more difficult to ensure that the frontline staff is delivering the same quality of service in the same way on every single job site. In our business, communication is always a challenge because we have a lot of employees spread out over a relatively large area and a lot of people doing different tasks each day. So when we introduced the Zuper app, it really helped to efficiently communicate job information to the frontline team members. Prior to Zuper, there were many times where the team would not get the proper information and wouldn't have it readily available when they arrived on site. So by using a technology like Zuper, we're able to efficiently pass information between the office, the team, and the customer. This saved a lot of time compared to handing out clipboards between crews and trying to collect that information, whereas with a technology tool like Zuper, we instantly can see that communication and feedback when a job is completed or when there are notes added for a job.
My name is Brett McGuire and I'm the Sales Account Manager here at Skyline Cleaning. On day-to-day activities, Zuper is very useful and tremendously helpful in tracking where our cleaners are at any given point during the day. I can remember a recent situation in which a residential customer had some changes that needed to be done for the cleaning that day. So what I did was I went into Zuper, uploaded the notes from the customer, added the pictures that the customer needed, and put it into that day's schedule. I didn't have to speak to the cleaners, the customer didn't have to speak to the cleaners, but they still knew full well what they were going to be doing that day and that it had changed. Our cleaners have really adjusted well to Zuper, and it has been an excellent source of information passing from the office to the field crew in the most efficient way possible, the most efficient way I have seen.
Zuper Mobile has been very helpful for our teams on site because they're able to pull up job information and customer information when they need it. And they're also able to do things like attach job pictures and leave notes, which is extremely helpful for our team back in the office to see. So I think utilizing the mobile app is going to be critical as we do more and more out in the field.
Antes de que llegara la aplicación de Zuper a la compañía era muy difícil. ¿Por qué? Porque teníamos que estar llamando por teléfono a la oficina, qué es lo que se tiene que hacer en esta casa, si hay gatos, si hay perros, si hay niños, si algo cambió, si necesitamos tener otros productos para limpiar, era muy difícil. Con Zuper es una herramienta de trabajo excelente, tenemos toda la información de cada casa y por supuesto mi trabajo es mucho más fácil con Zuper.
So our primary focus has always been on delivering an excellent quality service, and we've prioritized that over our 40-year history, and that's why we have a lot of long-term customers that trust us, because we, number one, want to make sure we're delivering consistent, excellent services. As with most companies, revenue is an important aspect of growth and success, and our goal over the coming year is to significantly grow our team and our revenue. But we want to do that in a way where we maintain our quality and our service for our customers. And the way we do that is by having a product that allows for systems and scalability. And that's what Zuper is allowing us to do, is grow in a controlled and scalable manner while maintaining the quality and efficiency and service delivery for our customers. The job checklist feature was one of the most important features for me because it allowed me to build specific checklists for both residential and commercial and for each service that we were delivering. And so we were able to uniquely create those checklists for each service and make sure that our teams were following through on each of those every single job. I think Zuper is a good solution for a lot of different service businesses, and the reason is because it is very customizable. In our case, we are using Zoho CRM, so I'd say any company that's using Zoho CRM is probably the best FSM option out there. And if you're in the field service business of any type, whether it's landscaping, HVAC, electrical, I think it's definitely something to consider because it is customizable enough that you can change things to really meet your specific, unique business needs.